Sometimes you will find yourself in a situation where you need to joint two pieces of wood on the angle. And quite often it will happen where you're trying to customize doorways and stuff like this. This is where the angle base, it is very helpful to have. Let's say you preset it at 45 degrees and you have the pieces cut already. It will allow you to place the biscuit in such position that when you put them together and you put some glue, it will create a very, very strong joint. It is one of the things that in professional world a lot of guys are using and doing. So it is a very useful tool, and by utilizing this little nifty feature, you can make your life quite easy. Once used, you return it to zero position or straight angle, and you're ready to do the next cut.